Also, YouTube, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded, just haven't been really recording videos lately. But in this video, I'm going to be doing a mid-fade, so let's get right into it. So first, just like every other haircut, you want to comb out your client's hair. Remember, you don't want to mess up that crown area, so just lay it as natural as possible in any direction it lays, and then start your cut. Now, usually I start a mid-fade about right there, but in this video, he wants his C-cup gone, so I'll start right there. So you want to go ahead and get your clippers with the lever all the way closed and start making your first guideline. Next, with your trimmers, you just want to go ahead and clean it up a little bit more just to get it ready for your box shaver. Alright, y'all, now with your box shaver, you're going to go ahead and blot out the bottom. Right here, I'm going to show you how to blot out. You pretty much go straight up, and then when you hit towards like half an inch, you start flicking out. Alright, y'all, this is new. I get my one guard all the way closed, and I set it in a guideline about an inch, close to an inch and a half. Now with your lever all the way open, you're going to go about halfway of that first guideline. Now next, I go into that guideline and I hit it with my trimmers, flicking all the way out. Now you want to go back to your clipper with the lever halfway open and flick up that last line, then get it ready for your half guard. Now with your half guard halfway open, you're going to start flicking at that next line. Now grab your 1.5 all the way open. It's pretty much a 2, and that'll be your last guideline, flicking out at that parietal ridge. Now to take out that last guideline, you want to use your one guard all the way open and start closing it if it doesn't come out. Now for him, he doesn't really like his edge up too high. He just likes me to edge up the front little hairs that stick out. So that's what I'll do. Now go ahead and add in some shaving gel, then blade them up. Alright, and I'm going to go ahead and add in some enhancements just to make the cut pop a little bit more. Alright YouTube, that is a cut. Hope y'all liked it. Please remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you on the next one.